this. This right here is a beautiful symbol, metaphor, I don't know. But this is a beautiful symbol of the inefficiency of my operation. Everything I try to do has little leaks and kinks in it. The more of this you allow, the smaller your margin gets. But luckily when the margin is nothing, it don't matter. Cleaned the filter before I got started, and it's back completely gummed up. Well, there's your problem. Damn. Let's go clean this. And honestly, after I emptied the tank, I should have cleaned this before I filled it back up and tried to cut it back on. And I told myself to do that, but then I didn't. Rookie mistake. Yeah, we got to hurry up though. I can just hear them dog fennel yawning right now, waking up from their winter's nap. It's already grew a 1/4 inch since we mowed it down. This is retribution for being lazy at the end of the last season and just parking it without cleaning it out, cleaning the tank out. So I'll deal with that next year. Now I'm dealing with it. Good as new now, boys. Let's see if this gets it. No wonder it won't coming through. Uh-oh. I got you. Probably got trash in the line. Good now. Always something around me, ain't it? Blowing out that trash. It's gaining some pressure. If you don't clean these bad boys out, you can forget it. Wasting your time. Don't spray too good. There's the problem. Lessons learned. Clean out your sprayer at the end of the year. Working on something to work with. That's our motto. Soy house race. Looks better now, right? All right, we should see some fantastic results now. Anybody want to say a prayer? There we are. I'm curious to see what this one looks like. Oh yeah. Yeah. Alright, knew better. Also, if you claim to do anything farming, milling related, and you don't keep a grease rag in your pocket, I highly doubt it. I highly doubt you're doing much. You might be riding around in a brand new truck telling people what to do, but you ain't out there doing it. That was another jab. I gotta quit jabbing. I found that those troughs at this way this shoots, they should be standing somewhat up or maybe just slightly at an angle. That gives you that nice curtain effect. Let's see if this is gonna work. Like the Bellagio fountains, baby! Woo! Had about 10 gallons left, but it's at a good stopping spot. So that's about right. We got a little over half the field. It's 11-acre field. Still about 6 acres to the tank, so we're doing pretty good. Could find that duct tape, try to patch them holes. But I kind of like watching them, giving something back, you know. It's like when you make your feed, you don't clean up all the kernels of cracked corn that fall out. You know, you got to feed the birds too. So in the hay fields and in the pastures, we don't got to worry about, well, you could go back and overseed it with more Bermuda or whatever crop you want. But in ours, we try to select for the Bermuda. And we do that with this herbicide. It kills all the other weeds and whatnot. But it's a perennial, meaning that it comes back every year. If it's got a good root system, it's dormant, but it's starting to wake up. So each year it'll come back on its own, as long as you didn't stun it or kill it off the year before. When we clean the filters out, they look like they ain't never been cleaned, didn't they? All right, let's go knock this out and then we'll go bust turds.